President Ruto Niwaumya Uthyuthyo kwene Ianda Kivathukanyo Kwitha Musitalini wa Mbee Kukitana na Thina wa Kukosekana kwa Mawia Aiweta Silikali Yoka Yitonya Kuminana na Mathina anena kabindani ka Kwambiisya muvango wa kumanthia Amuika Mawia wa Next Generation Kenya Youth Employment kuya State House engwatene na United Nation Development vamwe na ene Ianda. Ruto ni watangaza wongeli kuwa kuvothewa kwa maundu ma Amuika na kukulia makambuni kunenga Amuika myanya ya kwivundisya kana internship. Charles Kitavina Mawasu.
Karibu sana Your Excellency.
Maundu ma Mawia kwa Amuika ni momosa mwanya wa Mbee nthini wa kiathi kila kiatwa iwa State House musini wa Ilovi na vala President William Ruto waweta kana Silikali yake ni ikite Amuika Musitalini wa Mbee nthini wa mivango ya maendeleo na kana mwakani tuendete Silikali yake ni kuongela Ilovia ile ivadhiwe Amuika myanyani ya kusovya Mawia kuma bilioni 2 nginya bilioni 5.
The government of Kenya has deliberately placed young people at the center of everything we are building. It is a promise we made and one we intend to continue keeping, that we will be deliberate and intentional in creating opportunities for our young people. I can commit to you that as a government of Kenya, we are going to increase the resources available from what we have committed this year of 2 billion shillings. Next year, we are going to commit 5 billion shillings. And depending on how the partnership grows between us and our development partners, we should be able to provide as much as possible until we get to the place where every young person graduating from university will know that they have an automatic 1-year internship in a place of their choice.
President Ruto ni wakuya mivia ya kimbene kumanenga Amuika mwanya wa Kukwata Utwika mavyasala ni mo kana internship Aiweta kana kine kyo kieo kia kutuma makwata Mawia kundu kungi.
Before anyone becomes a master of a craft or profession, they must first become an apprentice. That is how skills are passed on. That is how professions are built. And that is how nations are built. The private sector must continue opening its workplaces, sharing its knowledge, and mentoring the next generation of professionals. Together, we can build a stronger bridge between education and employment.
Nake mutongo wangu atanio ya nthio nthe ya maendeleo UNDP fa Kenya ni watungia Silikali ya Kenya muvia kwa Kukwata mbau Walan'Yo Aiweta kana ni wonanio wa kana Silikali yake yina wendi wa kwikia vinya Amuika.
Kenya is demonstrating exactly the kind of leadership that this new era demands. The government has made the strategic decision to invest its own resources in its young people.
Invest in young talent. Do not simply give young Kenyans experience. They build their own talent pipeline. Fresh perspectives, new ideas, the future employees identified and developed early. The businesses investing in talent today are building the workforce they need tomorrow.
Walan'Yo yu wa Next Generation wikwatiwa kwikia vinya Amuika Mbee wa 3 na kuongeleka nginya 100 nthini wa miaka 3 yukite kwisila kumanenga Utwika matonya kutumia kuandikwa. Livoti ya vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongo TV Nita wa Charles Kitavi.